Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into the recovery environment and opening a command prompt. Once in, confirm the system drive letter and that you have administrator rights. This matters because commands will change boot settings. Now identify the current boot entry with bcdedit/enum to ensure you target the correct identifier. Do this immediately. It prevents editing the wrong entry. Make sure your keyboard and locale are correct so commands execute as typed. You will now disable automatic repair using bcdedit because it toggles the Windows Boot Manager behavior directly. Type bcdedit/set current recovery enabled no and press enter. If you have a different active entry, substitute its GUID. Once done, verify with bcdedit/enum all to confirm the recovery enabled value is set to no. This prevents Windows from forcefully entering the recovery loop. If you need to apply to other entries, repeat for each GUID. Do not skip verification. You finish by disabling WinRe if it remains active. Use reagent/disable, then reboot and confirm normal boot. Once the system starts, make sure updates or drivers are not causing failures. Automatic repair was masking the root problem. If something goes wrong, reverse the steps. Reagent/enable and bcdedit/set current recovery enabled yes will restore automatic repair. One key tip: if you cannot boot, use a recovery USB to repeat these commands and avoid making registry edits, unless instructed by a trusted support resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.